This project essentially is called the Grow Irish Week, where Notre Dame students are sent to different cities within America and also outside of America. And essentially this project is just to help us put what we have learned in class into actual practical experience. So we get to go to work with different organizations, helping them consult on activities that they may have issues with and prefer short-term and long-term solutions that would help them in the possible future.
So Food City project it was a project I could relate with. I always did grocery shopping, and so it was a very nice experience for me in the sense that I would be in the shop and then actually see what goes on and run in a grocery shop.
I just wanted a practical hands-on experience, and the project description, the way it was made me feel that I would know the in and out of a grocery business and how to help develop it. And also going by the project description, you were a very close-knit family business that thrived on its culture and heritage. So I wanted to experience how that feels like.
Having an outsider's perspective to things, being able to bring people who do not have the biases that color our viewpoint as locals or people who've been doing something for a long time, but having an external perspective into issues really enriches the experience, makes us see things that we would not have ordinarily seen.
I think what sets Food City apart from being a regular grocery store is its bakery and deli.
The deli business, the bakery business has different product lines. And so it's something that I really appreciated, that in the real world, there are real things that you have to work with. Process analytics helps me to know the stages, decision points in a production line.
I think something I have learned is process management and just being able to ensure that your operations run smoothly. My first year, I took a course in process management, and I think it's great being able to put that learning into practice here. So I think I gained a better understanding of what goes behind a grocery store and a bakery and a deli store, not just what we can see from the outside, but the inside, how activities are carried out and the effort people put into ensuring that we get yummy food.
The Notre Dame connection to Food City. Two of the second generation and third generation of Notre Dame, two of them are alums of Notre Dame, they went to Notre Dame. And then the second part, what Notre Dame talks about, trying to improve the world around you, being a servant leader. So how Food City has been committed to improving the lives of people around it, through the resources available to Food City. So that speaks to Notre Dame on two different levels.